Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. I'm so glad you're here. I'm filming outside, so the lighting might not be the best, so I apologize for that. But it's so much better than being inside, right? If you're new to my channel, I'm Laura. This is Zena. She's tired because I'm making her work really, really hard today. Wyatt's over here on bug patrol. There he is. He takes bug patrol very seriously. He's got to protect me from all the bugs out here. For today, I am super excited because I have a Glossybox for you today. Loving Glossybox. This is an affordable beauty subscription box sent to your home each and every month. Loving this subscription box. Let's talk about it. So this is when I say affordable, this is seriously an affordable subscription box. So 1 month is $21 a month, but if you buy it in increments, 12 months goes down to $18 a month if you buy 12 months at a time. But if you choose 3 months at a time, that would cost you $58.50 for the 3 months if you buy up front. At 6 months would be $111 all at once and you'd be done. And the 12-month price then is $210 for the full year. So, and that would be, like I said, $18 a month as opposed to the $21 a month. So the price does go down if you buy in larger increments. And I do, of course, have a discount code for you, so we will talk about that in just a month. Not in a month, in just a moment. Okay. Generally, for that $21 a month, if you buy on a monthly basis, you do get products valued at $75 or more each month. And basically, you know, it's a self-care treat, right? Each and every month. All right, let's dig in. Because inside this outer layer is the most beautiful box I think I have ever seen. How pretty is this box? Ah! Is that not simply beautiful? It's a little treasure chest with all of your self-care treats in it. Beautiful. Here's even the back. It is just simply beautiful. I just know I'm not going to be able to get rid of this box. It's the most beautiful box I think I have ever seen. All right, let's dig in. All right, so first thing I see is a little pamphlet here to talk about the July products. All right, I love it. This will tell you about all the products inside the box. And then look how pretty everything is wrapped in here. Even the inside of the box is gorgeous. I so have to keep this. I would keep this out on my dresser. It's so beautiful. All right. So this theme of this box is Beauty Treasures. And it says, hey Glossies, we love finding hidden gems and discovering new favorites each month. From makeup to skincare, hair care, and more, Glossybox is all about giving our subscribers a chance to experience the new and the best of beauty. This July, we're bringing you 5 beauty treasures and a special treasure chest box for you to try and love. The Glossybox team. All right, we're going to dig right in. It's so pretty. They have ribbons, stickers. I hate even like digging into this box. It's so pretty. I can't even stand it. But we're doing it anyway because I got to share with you all. All right, so first up, I have the Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. All right, and this is for glowing contour. You just swirl the brush into both the blush and the highlight and apply directly to the apples of your cheeks. So let's check this out. Show you what this looks like. Here's the little compact. And see how it has the like 2 different colors there. Put some on my finger there. Can you see that? Hopefully it's coming through. So it's a nice pinky color. I like that. All right, let's keep going. All right, next up is the Purlisse Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask, which is intensely moisturizing, soothing, and balanced, it says. So from the creator, it says, inspired by my grandmother's Asian beauty wisdom with modern philosophy. So it says that the sun can create dry and really dry and dehydrate your skin, especially in the peak of summer. Formulated for all skin types, including sensitive skin, this mask contains blue lotus, seaweed, mulberry, and anise fruit to combat dryness, inflammation, irritation, and redness. And the value of this is $6. All right. Next, I have some Verso eye cream, extra nourishing. So the Deluxe Mini 7 milliliter, which is this one, is valued at $21. A full size is valued at $60. All right, and it says this rich formula nourishes and moisturizes the eye area to ensure a robust skin barrier and healthy hydration level for soft, smooth, and supple skin. It owes its potency to a combination of fermented oat and a hyaluronic acid boosting yeast extract. Okay. I love that. I love the eye cream. So this I'm definitely looking forward to trying. Next, I have something from, this is Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Volumizing Dry Shampoo. Removes oil to give hair show-stopping volume, and it has collagen in it. So this is valued at $3.99. Put some oomph back in your locks with this dry shampoo. Great for when you're on the go and need a quick refresh. Made with collagen complex, the Clean Feel formula removes oil, leaving your hair bouncy, beautiful, and volumized. Love it. Travel size, perfect, because I did finally plan a vacation. So I am going to need all of these awesome products for my carry-on bag. So perfect. All right, and what else do I have here? This is the Elena Padro Divine Duo set. This beautiful sea green set includes an angled brush and a blending brush. The angled brush can be used for brow liner and eyeshadow, while the blending brush is ideal for creating soft color infusion or defining blend. This is valued at $34. Check these out. I love this color. Aren't those pretty? Love the color, right? I love the angled brush here. It says create the perfect eye look by defining your brows and blending your shadows. That's the pro tip. And that is my box. What did you think? I think this is a good set. For, like, even if you pay the most money, which is the $21 a month, this is a great value for the items that you receive, right? So I got 5 items in here, and I do have a discount code for you, like I said. So if you use my code LAURA1, which I will put down below, I'll put all the information for you, you will get your first box if you sign up for a $12 subscription for $1, just $1. All right, and I'll put, like I said, all the information down below for you. Okay, so I got my mask. I'm set. I think I'm taking all this on vacation. Got my volumizing dry shampoo because I do not wash my hair every day on vacation. My eye cream, which I desperately need. I've got my blush, Illuminating blush, which I also love for vacation, and I've got my brushes. I'm all set. And I have the most beautiful box I have ever seen. This was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed this. I will put, like I said, all the information for Glossybox down below. I'm so glad you spent time with me today. If you enjoyed this as much as I did, please give it a thumbs up. Would love you to hang out for long haul and hit that subscribe. And until next time, everybody, bye-bye.